So my name is Jordan Harris. Currently attend uni in the United States, going on my third year now. And I decided to take on the challenge of increasing my reading speed. And I wasn't sure how to go about that, but I came across Jordan Harry's TED Talk, and he brought up his reading speed, which was totally impressive, 1,500 words per minute. Completely blew my mind, and I thought he was lying. Of course, to figure out if someone's lying, you need to try it out yourself. So I found out about his website, paid 17 pounds, was able to become a member, started using the RSVP tool on his website, and I went from reading 250 words per minute to 800 words per minute on a good day, which is almost every day for me, thank God. But I can truly say that using his RSVP app has been completely beneficial for me. And I'm hoping those with an open mind are willing to take on the challenge of trying to increase their reading speed using the RSVP tool. Also, the Pacer tool on the program's page of StudyFast is a big help. Using a pen also helps if you suck reading online, which I hate reading online. So using a pen really helps with pacing. But the RSVP tool is a straight God-sent, heaven-sent application that you can use to increase your reading speed. So like Jordan Harry says, waste your time wisely.